this video is about independence. Try again. This video is about seeing if two variables are independent of each other, and we're looking at this using Venn diagrams. Okay, so in mathematics, specifically in statistics, two variables are independent when the probability of A happening given that B happened is the same or very, very close to the probability that A happens whether or not B happened. Okay, and that's kind of our test. So we calculate A given B, where the condition where B already happened, and this is a conditional probability. So check that video if you want to review that. And we're comparing that with the chance that A happens whether or not B happens. Okay, if this is true or very, very close, we say that A and B are independent, that it doesn't matter if B happened, the chance of A happening is the same. Okay, so we're looking at this situation with fish. These questions are not in Engage New York, but I just made them up about independence. Okay, now we will look at all four of these, but truth is, if you check one of these, that'll show you if it's independent or not. Really, these are either all basically the same or they're all basically not. It's either independent or kind of a gray area or it's not. Okay, and the point is that this is true for all these calculations, and you can do just one and be good and not have to do all four, but I'll show you all four just for practice. Okay, so I did these in a previous video. If I compare, let me show this formula again. If I compare A given B with A, and the first things match. So if I compare the probability of a green tail given red fins, 0.76 from a previous video. If I compare that to the probability of a green tail, which I have right here, as they give it to me, 0.64. Now, are these two values the same? No. Are they very, very close? Well, not really. Not at all. I mean, they're like, anyway, 0.08 away. And it's not, black and white. It depends on how big our sample size is. But let's just say these are not close enough in this case. Will this be done with more rigor in statistics, whether in college or AP statistics? Okay. But for now, are they the same or very, very close? Okay, comparing red fins given green tail, are those two variables independent? Well, I can look at comparing this one with just this first variable, red fins, whether or not it has a green fin, green tail. Okay, and looking at just red fins, that's up here at 0.25. Okay, are those two approximately the same? Well, they're not really that close. Okay, maybe they are, maybe they're not. But I'll say in this case that they're not close enough. Okay, and we can really stop there. Once we do one, that's it. But I'll just show you all of these. Let's compare not green tail. So I'll look at not green tail and compare that with not green tail. That's not in the green circle. So it's 0.06 plus 0.30. Okay, and that is 0.36. Are those very, very close? No, not really. Okay, noticing it's failing in all of these because either it's true in all of them or it's not true in all of them. And this green tail given not red fins, I'll compare that with green tail, whether or not it has red fins. And this again was given to me, 0.64. Okay, are those the same or very, very close? Let's say in this case they're not close enough. Okay, so this is independence using a Venn diagram. Now it is true that there is some work to get this number, which I did in a previous video, but again you're just comparing A given B compared with A. This first thing must match.